Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add announcement bar in Shopify Dawn theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add announcement bar on your Shopify store and you wanted to make your Shopify store more professional, more user friendly and increase the sales, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and you can see that there is no announcement bar in the top, and we are going to learn how we can add this announcement bar in the top without any app, without any coding skill. Okay, to do this, first I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. So you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click online store, then click on the customize button. Looks very carefully. Here is the header section. When I click on the header, you can see that this is the header of our store. Then click add section and you can see that there is a announcement bar available in the add section under the add section. So click on this announcement bar. Okay, you can see that here is the announcement bar, and now you can change the text of this announcement bar. So just click on this title or content and change the text from here. Okay, we have changed the text, and we can also add link on this announcement bar. For example, we wanted to add links for our specific collections like baby. Okay, then we wanted to move this announcement bar because announcement bar always stay on the top, don't it place under the header menu. So I'm going to move this announcement bar. Just click on here and you can see that it's moved, and click on the save. And now I'm going to reload my home page. Wow, it's working so simple and fast. So I hope you understand everything very clearly, and you can do it without any coding skill, any app, and hiring any developer. So simple and fast. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Shopify, WordPress, SEO, even social media marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.